All right, let's see if this works. All right, guys, what's up? Michael Edward here. I'm back. We are finally back. We got the live stream working. We got the screen share working. Not sure what the issue was there the first time, but I just restarted the computer and everything, and now we've got the screen share back up and working. So thanks for bearing with me there, guys, for a few minutes. I'm not sure what the issue was. But we are back. All right, so we got everything back up and running. So, guys, I do apologize for that in the very beginning. But thank you for joining me here on the live stream. Again, like I said, with me, I've got Jason Spatafor, the Wolf of Weed Street himself, and we are going to be talking about a lot of stuff here on this live stream. I've got a big mistake that we made at the TTG fam headquarters here. We made a pretty big mistake, and I want to apologize for that to you directly. And I will get into that in just a few moments. But just like I said, we do always in every live stream, so we can give some people some time to log back on, especially since we had some issues there, some technical difficulties in the very beginning. I want to just kind of give people time to log back on because we lost some people there when we couldn't get the screen share. So I want to give you guys some time to log back on. And like I said, so just feel free, guys, ask some questions. I'm going to do a blanket Q&A session for myself and Jason. If you guys have any questions about anything in particular, just fire away. I know we have a lot of people that are curious to talk about Warren Buffett and what went on with Warren Buffett and the Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting with him selling all of his airlines. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that shareholder meeting. But before we do, like I said, going to give some time for people to log on. I want to give you guys a chance. Blanket Q&A. Go ahead, fire away, guys. What makes me bullish on Oxy? Um, I mean, listen, Isaac Sign says, what makes you bullish on Oxy? You know, the thing that you really have to remember about Oxy, the thing that you really have to remember about Oxy is when I added to energy stocks and oil stocks in my long-term portfolio, I added to 3 stocks specifically. And that's because I wanted to break that risk up amongst low risk, medium risk, and high risk. And with that comes low reward, medium reward, high reward. So what I did on my long-term portfolio was I added to Chevron, which is a low risk, lower reward stock, but pays a fantastic dividend, about 6-7% dividend. OKE, which is a medium risk, medium reward, and then Oxy, which is a higher risk, higher reward. And my thoughts with Oxy specifically are I want Oxy to be my high risk, high reward play because that has a chance to be a 100 to 200% gain over the next 3 years. And you know, I like how you have Carl Icahn is a huge stakeholder in Occidental. You have Warren Buffett is involved in Occidental, and I specifically want oil companies that will have no problem accessing capital markets. And with Warren Buffett and Carl Icahn in your corner, you're in pretty good shape. So that's why I'm betting on Oxy as my high risk, high reward oil play, as opposed to, you know, Chesapeake or Apache, some of the other real high risk oil companies. I'm going after Occidental just because of the quality of shareholders that they have in their corner and being able to access capital markets should they need it if we don't see a rebound back in oil prices in the very near future. You're going to have a lot of oil companies and oil service companies are going to go bankrupt. They're going to go out of business. The sector is going to consolidate. You're going to have big companies swallow up small, suffering companies to take advantage of their operations and their real estate, depending on where it is that they're drilling. You will see mergers. You're going to see a lot of acquisitions. And I think that for the high risk, high reward play, I'm going to go with the company that I think has the best chance of surviving that, which having people like Carl Icahn in your corner would definitely help that. So that's why I'm going with Oxy as my high risk, high reward play. But again, I've got OKE, which is a medium risk, medium reward, and I've got Chevron, which is a low risk, lower reward. Chevron's not going anywhere. Chevron's got the best balance sheet out of any oil service company in the entire industry. Chevron's not going anywhere. So that's why I love Chevron as my low risk, but also lower reward investment in the oil service sector. Oh, nice. Danielle's already picked up some Oxy. Ricky Jennings. Ricky Jennings, I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. Ricky Jennings says, will you be having any discounts this month? I'm almost where I need to be for joining the TTG group. Ricky, I'm going to talk to you guys about discounts and joining the TTG group in just a few moments. I'm going to give some time for some people to log back on to the live stream, and then we're going to talk about that. Yeah, Danielle. Exxon. I mean, yes. I mean, you can go with Exxon. I like Chevron better than Exxon. I think Chevron's got a better balance sheet than Exxon, but both of them are not going anywhere. Exxon's not going anywhere. Chevron's not going anywhere. Either one of them would be considered a low risk, low reward oil play. Mr. Howard says, "Are we going to be shorting all the airlines on Monday?" Mr. Howard, I definitely do expect a lot of selling pressure in the airlines on Monday. Now that everybody knows that Warren Buffett has completely sold his entire stake in the airline industry, I think you're going to get a lot of people are going to head for the exits on Monday. I expect gap downs on Monday on Delta, United, American, Southwest, JetBlue. I expect all the airline companies to gap down on Monday with this news. The futures market is gapping down currently as we speak. So you're seeing some selling pressure roll over into the futures market that, as it stands right now, we're looking at a pretty nice gap down Monday morning. And I do think you're going to see some selling pressure in the airline industry. It just depends on how big of a gap down we get, Mr. Howard. If the gap down is excessive, I'm going to have a difficult time shorting those stocks right into those March 20th lows. But if we still have some room above those March 20th lows, I do think that, shorting those stocks, buying put options in those stocks, I do think that that would be a pretty good play, at least for Monday, Tuesday, while the market digests Warren Buffett, who typically never sells his positions. Warren Buffett is the epitome of a buy and hold investor. So the fact that he at these prices bailed on all of his airline holdings is definitely going to cause some ripple effects and some selling pressure. We just have to see how much selling pressure that equates to at the opening bell.
Yeah, but also keep in mind, like I was saying before, he was buying American Airlines in the billions of dollars at $30 a share. So what's he supposed to do?
Yeah. Justin Richardson says, do you have just a chat room subscription? Justin Richardson, our subscription it's a 1-year chat room subscription that gives you access to the trade alerts, the text message alerts, the email swing trade alerts, the premium blog, the analyst reports. But we include all of our courses for free with your membership. Okay. All right. So we include all of our courses in that membership for free. So that's why we don't have like a monthly membership plan, because once you sign up to TTG, there's no upsells. You sign up, you get access to every single piece of educational material and content that we have access to. And I'm constantly coming out with new course material, brand new courses. Every couple months, I come out with a brand new course. I just released an advanced options course. Just about 2 weeks ago, I released an advanced options course that covers straddles, strangles, credit spreads, debit spreads, and a lot of other more advanced option strategies like iron condors. And you automatically get access to that as a TTG member. There's no upsells. Okay. So that's why we don't have a monthly membership. It's just a 1 year all-inclusive membership that includes all of the courses. So you're not necessarily paying for those courses where they're included for free in your membership. That's why we don't have a chat room only membership and a chat room plus courses membership. We just include all of our courses for free with your yearly chat room access. And I'm going to talk to you guys about that subscription and about that membership a little later on. Nice. Michael Gleason, almost TTG certified. That's what I'm talking about. Michael Gleason says the courses, the watch list, and the trade chat are worth it alone. I'm almost TTG certified. Michael Gleason, that's awesome, man. Keep putting in that work, guys. TTG certified. What that means is every single course on our website has a quiz at the end. If you take the quiz and you score an 85% or higher, you get a badge for that course. If you earn all the badges on all the courses, you become TTG certified. You can print out a certificate. You can share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. It's a really cool feature that just lets other people know that you have now received a professional education and your opinion now means something because you know what you're talking about. You've gone through the courses, you've gotten the education. It's no longer a trial and error situation with you. You've received the same education that I received working at a hedge fund in New York City, and that lets people know once you're TTG certified that you have received that professional education. So Michael Gleason, you're almost TTG certified, brother. Keep it up. Great job. I love that you're putting in the work on the weekends, going through those courses. Keep it up. Get that TTG certification. Nice. Tags 828. Tags, what's up, buddy? I'll see you in chat tomorrow. Tag says TTG chat is great. Chuck Calvi says, I love the program. Chuck's a brand new member. Chuck just signed up a couple days ago. Chuck, I'll see you in chat. Yes, Ali, absolutely. Ali says, can we trade for a living with TTG? Absolutely. Ali, we have several members in TTG that trade full-time, meaning that is their full-time income. We also have some members in the TTG chat room that have actually quit their jobs. We have one woman specifically who just recently owned a floral business with two other women. She's in her 50s, and she actually has become a consistently profitable trader over the last 1.5 to 2 years and decided to sell her stake in her business to her other two partners. And now she trades full time for a living. So yes, it is absolutely possible for you to trade full time as a TTG subscriber. Yes, Kyle, what's up, bro? Kyle, I'll see you in chat tomorrow. Kyle says, I now trade full time because of TTG. Nice. CNUG Prospecting says, I'm trading full time because my job is shut down. Cuitado Latino Clinic says, how much do you recommend starting with? Listen, recommendations to start with, it all depends on what your risk tolerance is. It all depends on what you can afford to start with. Whatever you do start with, though, I would say make sure it's a dollar amount that you're okay losing, because you always have to assume that whatever the dollar amount is that you start with, you have to make sure that if you lose that amount, okay, I don't ever recommend people putting their entire life savings into a trading account. I recommend starting slow. If you can afford $5,000, I would say that's a great starting point. But we have several members that trade with small accounts that are $500, $600 accounts. I wouldn't recommend going any lower than that. If you could swing 5,000, I think that's a great starting point. But if all you've got is 5, 6, 700, that's perfectly fine. We have a lot of members that start out in that small account price point. The pros and cons of TC2000 and Thinkorswim platform. Guys, I'm not familiar with the Thinkorswim platform. I've never had Thinkorswim. I don't know anything about the charting software or the platform. TC2000 is my favorite charting platform that I've ever come across and that I've ever used. It's better than the Lightspeed platform. I only use TC2000 for charting. You could trade with TC2000 if you want. They do offer brokerage services through Interactive Brokers. We have a lot of members in chat that trade with TC2000. They have no complaints whatsoever. They actually like it very much. So I would recommend it. I just can't really talk too much about it because I've never actually traded with TC2000. But I think their charting software is hand down the best. And they have the best drawing tools. I think it's the cleanest layout. I think it's the most user friendly. I like TC2000 the best. Nice. Andrew Knutson. I'll see you in chat. Andrew Knutson's a member. Andrew says, I'm trading full time because I always wanted to. And after getting ripped off in many other groups, I finally found one in TTG that actually educates people with risk management. Andrew, it's been an absolute pleasure having you part of the group, brother. I will see you in chat tomorrow. Yes, V Love. I actually shot an 82 yesterday. V Love, I actually shot an 82 yesterday. Yesterday was actually the best round I've ever shot, and it was an 82. Azan Akmal says, Mike, do you think that selling accelerates again with last week's trading action? Azan, I do think that selling pressure starts to speed up again, but I don't think it'll be as vicious as it was in March. I do not expect 2,500, 3,000 point down days in the Dow, but I do think that we can get some directional downside, especially with the Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting was a somber meeting. I do think that we can see some selling pressure start to pick up. That maybe the best of the bounce back is behind us, and maybe we see another pullback that can take us back to maybe 260, 265. I think is a very realistic pullback area that we can look at for the SPY. I think that's a very realistic area. I think it's a very healthy area, but I do not expect the selling pressure to be as aggressive as it was in March. Nice, Michael. I'm glad to hear that, Michael. So Michael Gleason says, just having Jason Simmons help me with setup on Schwab charting was worth the price of admission. So much better now. Can't wait to use it this week. So guys, what Michael is referring to is what we do at least once a week for traders that are brand new, that have never traded before. They're not familiar with charting platforms. They're not familiar with their brokerage accounts. We do at around 4:30 p.m. Jason Simmons, another one of the pro traders in the True Trading Group chat, one of our moderators, walks beginner traders through how to set up their charts. We have Jason shows people how to set up charts on Charles Schwab. Chris Toner helps him set up charts on Thinkorswim, and Alex Campbell helps them set up charts on E-Trade. So they each use those specific platforms, and it's been very helpful for beginner traders that are just starting out, that are trying to get familiar with their charting platform. It helps them kind of set up their charts, get their technical indicators in place, how to use those settings correctly. That's what Michael's referring to. So at TTG, there really is something for everybody, whether you are a beginner trader, you've never traded a day in your life, because we do walk you through start to finish from day one. So the beginner courses will start you off. You have no idea what you're doing. You have to open a brokerage account. You've got to set up your charts. You have to learn how to place trades. The beginner courses will start you off from day one. Then you can go right to the advanced courses, guys, and that covers all the technical stuff that I learned while working at the hedge fund. That covers my technical indicators, the chart setups I trade, my risk management strategy, my tier trading strategy, how technical indicators work in conjunction with one another, how to identify an A+ setup versus a B+ setup. All of that stuff is in the advanced course sections. But like I said, that's why whether you've been trading for one day or 10 years, there's something there for you in True Trading Group. I have never used Fidelity Pro, Lenny. Lenny Miskey says, do you know about charts with Fidelity Pro? I've never used Fidelity Pro. I do have money invested with Fidelity in my long-term retirement portfolio. For my retirement accounts, I have money with JP Morgan. I have money with Fidelity. Fidelity is an excellent wealth management company. They're a fantastic money manager. Their mutual funds are amazing. I highly recommend them for long-term investments. I just am not familiar with their active trading platform because I've never used it, Lenny. So I can't really touch too much upon Fidelity's trading. Chris, it depends. So Chris says, Mike, does the market slow down in the summer? Chris, yes and no. There's always action somewhere. It just depends on where you're looking. We have had some summers where action was rip your face off. We've had other summers where the action is really slow. There's always action somewhere. You just have to know where to find it. And that's why at TTG, I always promote diversity as a trader. That's why I always tell people, don't be a one-trick pony. Don't just only trade small caps. You always have to be able to trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, trade options, ETFs. Be familiar and be able to trade multiple asset classes, because if all you know how to do is trade small caps and small caps are cold in the summer, let's say August rolls around, it's earnings season in the summer, and last earnings season, mid caps were on fire. Mid caps were on fire because they were blowing earnings out of the water. You were having 50, 60, $70 stocks moving 15, 20% in a single day, which is huge moves that traders were flocking to, and that left small caps with very little follow through, low liquidity, and they were dead. And if all you were doing during that time was trading small caps, you were going to struggle. You were going to try to be fighting teeth and nail, trying to pull money out of those small caps, and you were going to have a difficult time. So that's why I always recommend traders be diversified. This summer could be slow if we're in a consolidation, because Q2 earnings are going to be abysmal. People, the economy is going to slowly start to kick back on. You're not going to have strong consumer spending. We could have a slow summer, but that doesn't mean that there's not going to be action somewhere. And in TTG, with several hundred members that have a professional education, that know what to look for, it is very rare that we ever miss a move in the TTG chat room, because my goal with the TTG chat is to have several hundreds of traders that have the same education that I received when working at a hedge fund, that know what to look for, that could identify A-plus setups versus, okay, this is a C setup. I don't really want to pay attention to this. It's not worth my time. It's not worth my attention. It's not worth my money. But this is an A-plus setup, and I'm going to focus on this. There's been so many times, I can't even tell you guys how many times, that members in chat have called out a stock that say, hey, Mike, take a look at this. I'll pull it up, something I was not looking at prior to that. I pull it up, I say, wow, this actually looks really good. And the whole group, we analyze it together. It's an A-plus setup. We take a trade and we crush it. That's happened so many times. I owe a lot of members steak dinners because of that. And that's my goal with TTG, is to be able to say, all of these traders, they have a professional education. They know what to look for. I can now trust, if you take my courses, I can trust that you know what you're talking about. When you complete the TGG courses and you become TGG certified, I now value your opinion. Just like you all value my opinion as a professional, successful, consistently profitable trader, award-winning hedge fund trader, you all value my opinion. That's why you ask me questions. You're always like, Mike, what do you think about this? What about that? What about this? When you complete the TGG courses and you become certified, I now value your opinion. So if you message me during the day in chat and you say, Mike, take a look at ABC. This stock looks really good. It's we just broke through the initial morning high. Volume's great. We've got multiple indicators lining up at support at $5. I like what I'm seeing. Check out the volume profile. All things are pointing upwards. And I take a look at it and I say, wow, you know what, John, you really know what you're talking about. This is a great looking setup. I love the risk reward. I'm taking a trade. And the entire group gets on board and we all take a trade together. That's my goal when I originally started True Trading Group. That's exactly where we are today. And that is the God's honest truth, is that once you become TG certified, I value your opinions now. Yeah, Mr. Swagner, he can attest to it. Mr. Swagner is a member. Mr. Swagner said this is 100% true. I've been there for it many times. Nice. Enoch, what's up, Enoch? Enoch says, I just joined 3 days ago. Michael is such a great and passionate teacher. Great presentation skills. Wish I found TTG earlier. Enoch, I also wish you found TTG earlier. It's a pleasure having you part of the group. Welcome to the family. But no need to worry. You found us now. You're in good hands. Get that education, put in the work, take the courses, ask questions, spend time in chat. And that's how you guys will become better, more consistently profitable traders. Let's see. Let's get caught up with a couple other questions. Moe Zakmal says, Mike, what do you think the chances the airlines go bankrupt? I'd say the one that's in the biggest danger, I think, is American Airlines. I think American Airlines is in trouble. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if you saw United or Delta, someone merge with American Airlines. Like in a year from now, if I'm booking a flight on United American Airlines or American United Airlines, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised, to be honest with you. When it comes time to finally invest in airlines, I'm probably going to go after United. I like United. I like Delta better than I do like American. I think American's got bigger problems. Nice. Project 222. Another member, another TGD member, Project 222. Project, great trading this week too, brother. You made some really nice trades this week. Project says it's also really nice having so many people there to keep an eye on the news. This has made me a bunch of money and saved me a bunch of money. Yeah, that's true, guys. I mean, the more traders that you have that are out there scouring the market, scouring setups, looking for news, looking for setups, the less chance you have of missing something. And, there's been times where a stock has made Zoom, for example. Zoom's a perfect example. Guys, on Friday, 2 Fridays ago on Zoom, we shorted Zoom at 174.41 right there when Facebook announced a competing software. We saw Zoom have a huge flush, a huge sell-off. I didn't see the news at first, but a member in chat found the news first, which was Facebook announced a competing software. That immediately gave me the fundamental catalyst that we needed. We called the short at 174.41. We rolled that thing all the way down to 135. As you guys can see, this is a real nice swing trade that we capitalized on huge. Just a huge drop from 174 down to 135, guys. That was a monster trade. Monster trade. Some people shorted it. Some people bought put options. It was a big trade. Wilson Liu, that's a great question. Wilson Liu says, hey, Mike, if we first purchase the 1 year, but then decide to switch to a lifetime membership afterwards, can we pay the difference or will it be a new order? Wilson, if you're interested in a lifetime membership to True Trading Group, just send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com and just let them know you're interested in a lifetime membership and we'll get you taken care of. Let's see. Let me just try to get caught up here, guys. You guys are firing these questions away. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keep asking questions, guys. The only way you're going to learn. Well, Gavin Morris, it depends. So Gavin Morris says, I'm a new member here. How many hours in terms of just the videos does it take to get TGG certified? So Gavin, getting TGG certified is not just about completing the courses. Getting TGG certified is about completing the courses, but also scoring an 85% or higher on all of the quizzes at the end of all the courses. So when you score an 85% or higher on your quiz, you get a badge for that course. If you earn all the badges for all the courses, that's when you become TTG certified. William, the name of the hedge fund was T3 Alpha Fund. So William asked that what was the name of the hedge fund that I worked for? The name of the hedge fund was called T3 Alpha Fund. T3 Alpha Fund closed up shop after the 0809 crash. So after the 0809 crash, 50% of all hedge funds on Wall Street went out of business. Okay, they closed up shop. Okay, 50% of all hedge funds closed up shop. So my hedge fund, including one of them. So they ended up closing the hedge fund side and they became a prop trading firm, which I believe is now just called T3 Capital. But prior to that, the hedge fund was called T3 Alpha Fund. Thomas Barty says, how many screens do you use? Thomas, I use 3 computer monitors and a laptop. Nice, Jason. Smart. I recommend it, Jason. Jason says, I plan on taking the courses twice over. I recommend it. I recommend it, Jason. No, Jacob, I don't buy any trash stocks. I don't trade any OTC stocks, if that's what you're referring to. I don't trade any OTC stocks. All NASDAQ, NYSE. Big Ways says, how long has TTG been around? We've been around about 3 years, Big Ways. Yes, Jacob. So Jacob says, I bought my first option on Friday. Can my option bring me profit without being in the money? Okay. Yes, it absolutely can give you profit without being in the money. If I sat here and explained to you guys the, um, how options and everything works, we will be here for a while. What I will say to you, Jacob, is to make sure that you go through the option courses. The beginning option course will answer all of your questions about how option pricing works and how an option price will move up or move down and what are the factors that affect the option price moving up and moving down, because there's several factors that affect the price of an option, and you will learn all of that in the beginner option trading course. And then in the advanced option trading course, you're going to learn a lot more advanced option strategies. Nice. Chad, what's up, Chad? Chad Clemens. I'll see you in chat tomorrow, bro. Chad Clemens says, I joined in April of 2018. Best investment I've ever made. Guys, honestly, the thing about TTG, when I tell you guys we really are a tight knit group, Chad's been a member since 2018. Okay, we just started True Trading Group in like November, December of 2017. Okay, we've only been around for about 3 years. We have a lot of members that have been with us for more than a year. Okay, we have a lot of original members that joined us in 2017, 2018 that are still part of the TTG family. That's why a 2-year and even a lifetime membership is becoming increasingly more popular amongst our members, because they realize that once you receive a professional education, you become part of True Trading Group, that we develop personal relationships. I have members, okay, people that started out as members at TTG that I am now friends with, people that have my cell phone number. We communicate daily. I know about their personal lives, their family lives. They know about mine. When we we're traveling. We have one member specifically lives in Vegas. I was in Vegas not too long ago, maybe almost a year ago. I was in Vegas, and we got together. We sat down. We had lunch together. We went to dinner together. We hung out. We gambled together. And we really developed personal relationships. And this is really what happens in TTG. We have 2 members in True Trading Group that both live in Amsterdam, coincidentally enough. And those 2 members now have developed a friendship. And on weekends, they get together for coffee on Sundays and they talk about trade ideas for Monday. That is what TTG is all about. It's about personal relationships, forging relationships with people that truly care about your success. You are not just another number in TTG with me. That's why I do one-on-one mentor sessions with most of our members. I get to know them personally. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? I know what's going on in their personal lives. They know what's going on in mine. And it's a beautiful thing. Trading can be a very lonely profession. It's a beautiful thing to have a support group, to have a group of traders that you can bounce ideas off of, you can go to for support when you're struggling, and truly bond with another, and truly develop these professional and these personal relationships. It's not just a revolving door. Members don't just sign up and then they just disappear. When members sign up, they stick around, guys. Like I said, Chad Clemens signed up in April 2018. He's been with us now for over 2 years. So, I mean, when you talk about retention rate in TTG, once you guys join TTG, I guarantee you're never going to look elsewhere, because there's nothing like receiving a professional education, getting quality one-on-one mentorship while having a tight-knit group where you can rely on, bounce ideas off of, ask questions, that truly cares about your success. I guarantee you guys will never look elsewhere. Nice. Jersey Devil. Jersey Devil says, I've been a member since 2017. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, Chad, April 2018. Jersey Devil since 2017. These are members that have been with us for years. Why? Because they sign up, they get a professional education, and they immediately see results. And results don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Your P&L, your trading account balance will not lie. And that's what happens when you see your professional education and you get real mentorship, real guidance. That's the difference, guys. That's why you have so many members that are here talking to you on the live stream, telling you they've been a member for 2 or 3 years. Nice. Shane Allman, what's up? Shane started in 2019. Nice, Shane. Johnny Chase, we were planning on a TTG family get together. We were planning on that for like April or May, and then coronavirus happened. So we're waiting for the coronavirus to kind of settle down. And once things get back to normal, then I'm going to arrange for a TTG retreat, and we'll probably do it down in Miami. And I will invite all of our members down to Miami with us to go over to, we're going to trade in the same room together. We're going to go out. We're going to have dinners. We're going to go bond together. We're going to go golfing or go to the beach. We're going to have fun. But then we're also going to sit in like a webinar or like a seminar style setting, and we're going to go over some work. And we're going to open up the books. We're going to put some work in, and we're going to learn. We're going to go through the courses together. We're going to answer questions together. We're going to go over trade recaps together, and we're going to grow, get better, learn, trade, and profit together. That I guarantee you guys, on top of spending some quality time together, forging those relationships and becoming closer and developing those bonds. So that is something that I'm very much looking forward to in the coming months. It's just a matter of coronavirus things getting back to normal. And then Johnny Chase, we will be having that TTG get together. Nice. DMCK finished the TTG Triangle course last night. Nice. My favorite pattern. Nice. Ricky, I can't wait. Ricky, I'm waiting for you. Ricky, I remember you from the last live stream, brother. I'm waiting for you, man. I'm here. I'm waiting for you. Yes, of course. Of course, Justin. All members are going to be invited. All TTG members are going to be invited to the TTG meetup. Every member is going to be invited. Thank you, Noble Eagle. I appreciate that. Joel, not yet. So Joel Marshall says, "What about TTG swag? You got any snapbacks or hoodies yet?" We will, once coronavirus and all this stuff is over with, Joel. We will have hats and T-shirts and that kind of stuff that I do look forward to sending to people. Yeah, Chad, it's going to be epic, man. Chad said, I can't wait for that day. It's going to be epic. Talking about the meetup. I can't wait to get together with all of my team. Guys, I truly do love my team. I mean, honestly, like I'm not just saying it. I mean, you can ask members that are in chat right now. We have a lot of members that are on the live stream. I truly love my team. Like I wake up every morning blessed to come in chat, talk to everybody, and trade with my group. I love my team. I really, really do love my team, and we're gonna have a blast together, guys. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Yes, Chad. Chad says, and I'll be there till the end. Chad Clemens, member for life. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Robin Jess says we even have a TGD mascot, Toby. We do have a TGD mascot. His name is Toby. He's a little Chihuahua dog. That is Jason Simmons, who does the morning prep. So, guys, the chat room's open at 7:30 a.m. Eastern every day. And Jason Simmons is in there at 7:30 going over economic data, pre-market movers, press releases. He's going over the watch list. And he has a dog. His dog's name is Toby. And every time that Jason hands me over the microphone, because then I'll come on around 9 o'clock and I'll go over my game plan, my watch list, and I start to talk to members about what I'm doing during the day or what I expect stocks to do on that day. And Toby always goes nuts. Every time Jason's like, all right, guys, I'm going to pass the mic over to Michael Edward, Toby starts going crazy. So Toby has become the TGG mascot. So yes, we do have a mascot. No, I did not grow up in Queens. I know I do have an accent, Z Dog. I grew up in New Jersey. So that's why you probably recognize the accent. What? Chad Clemens? I did not even know that. You SOB, Chad. Guys, this is sick. Chad Clemens, congratulations, brother. I did not even know this. Chad, that is a tremendous accomplishment. Everybody give a big shout out. Congratulations to Chad Clemens. Joined TTG in 2018. He started with no trading knowledge whatsoever. He grew his $5,000 account to six figures in 2 years. Chad, that is an amazing accomplishment. Congratulations, brother. That is an amazing thing. Guys, and that's what I'm talking about how it doesn't matter if you have a small account. You do not need $100,000 in your trading account to become consistently profitable. Chad Clemens, TGG member for the last 2 years, and in 2 years, he grew a 5K account to over $100,000. Chad Clemens, congratulations, bro. That is one hell of an accomplishment. Amazing. You should be super proud of yourself, Chad. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Bigger and better from here on out, Chad. The sky's the limit, brother. I'm super proud of you, man. Congratulations. Super proud of you. Nah, Chad says, thanks, bro. It's all because of TTG. Chad, all I did, Chad, was share with you everything that I know. You pulled the trigger, brother. You pulled the trigger. You made those trades, not me. You made those trades. All I did was share with you my knowledge. That's it. And answer your questions when you needed guidance. But you pulled that trigger. Congratulations, guys. That's what a professional education will do for you. That's absolutely incredible. No, Jamie. Jamie Vasquez, good question. Jamie says, is there another course to pay for after this first one? No. Jamie, TTG is an all-inclusive membership. There is no upsells ever. When you sign up to True Trading Group, you immediately get access to every single course that we have. You also instantly get access to all future courses. I'm constantly coming out with new course material. 2 weeks ago, I just released a brand new advanced options trading course. Current members instantly get access to that. It's just like Netflix, Jamie. When you subscribe to Netflix and Netflix comes out with a new documentary, you don't have to pay for that documentary. It's part of your membership. It's included. You get access to it. You can watch it whenever you want. Same thing with TTG. You sign up, you become part of the family, you get access to everything we have. There's no, oh, well, sign up for $200 a month. Oh, wait, you want the courses? That's 500. Oh, wait, you want the advanced courses? Well, that's 1,000. Oh, you want to be part of my VIP circle? That's 3,000. No, 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 no. When you sign up to True Trading Group, you get access to everything, including all future courses. Very important that I clarify that, Jamie. Yes, Jamie. Exactly. It's 1065 right now for the year. Archduke, we do trade futures. We do not trade Forex. We do not trade Forex. We do trade futures. Oh, Johnny, I have no plans on stopping, brother. I got no plans on stopping. Johnny Chase says, I hope TTG goes on for years to come. Johnny, I got news for you. We are just getting started. We are just getting started. Jason Bishop wants to know, when am I planning on retirement and who takes over the site? Jason Bishop, you don't have to worry about that because I'm going to be trading stocks on my deathbed. I'm going to be 85 years old with oxygen in my nose, pressing keyboards like this, trading stocks. It is my passion. I live, breathe, eat, sleep this stuff. I will do it until the day I die. Patrick Saborin says, I've been to a few other chat rooms before, and the level of TTG is definitely way on top. So friendly and helpful. TTG is the best. I look forward for the lifetime subscription. Patrick, absolute pleasure having you part of the group. Chad says, guys, if you put in the work, you will be rewarded. The courses Mike has created are truly life-changing. Sounds silly, but it's the absolute truth. Chad, I really appreciate that. I spend a lot of time putting those courses together. Guys, just so you know, if any of you are unfamiliar, just so you guys know, the courses that are on the TTG website, I wrote them all myself. When I worked at the hedge fund, I went through a 3-month educational training program where for 3 months I sat in a classroom style setting. Different traders and analysts that worked at the hedge fund came in and they taught us different topics each week. I had to pass that program in order to trade with the hedge fund's money. Okay. I've taken that education, I've simplified it, and I've created the TTG courses. So when you take the TTG courses and the TTG curriculum, beginner trading courses, advanced stock trading courses, beginner options courses, advanced option courses, trader psychology part 1, trader psychology part 2, how to thrive during a stock market crash. When you take all of those courses, you are literally learning a simplified version of everything that I learned when I worked at a hedge fund in New York City with $500 million under management. You are learning what I learned. I'm sharing with you what I learned. That is the quality of the education that you receive by going through the courses. Okay, so just so you guys are clear on what type of education you're going to be receiving. Yes, Keith Stokes says, do you broadcast during the day? Keith, yes. So in True Trading Group, during the day, I share my screen with all of our members. You guys see exactly what I see. You see exactly what I'm looking at. You see exactly what I'm doing. I'm also on the microphone, Keith, telling you, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm buying. This is what I'm selling. Long here, sell here, take profits here, stop loss here. And I also, very importantly, always call out a trade before I make it. Always. It is never, surprise, I bought this stock. It's always, guys, ABCD was on the watch list this morning. I'm looking for $10 to be support. We gapped up to 11. We pulled into 10. I say, guys, $10 is holding support. That level we identified pre-market. I'm a buyer here. If this $10 area holds, bang. Members jump in trades before I do. because I tell them what I'm doing before I do it. Everybody doesn't just react to what I do. I tell you what I'm doing before I do it. Plenty of times that members enter trades before me and get better entries before me. Plenty of times. I always tell people, once I'm in a trade, I say, guys, this is my stop loss. This is my profit targets. If the stock gets here, I'm selling 25% of my position. The stock moves higher. I come back on the microphone. I say, guys, first take profit target is about to be hit. I'm taking 25% of my position off the table right here. Bang. Everybody knows I'm taking profit. Then trade executes, push notification in chat. Says, took some profit, ABC, 1075, still holding some. Then I come back on the mic. I say, guys, okay, my next take profit's 1150. If we get to 1150, I'm taking half my position off the table. We get to 1150. I say, guys, here we are. Second take profit target reached. I'm taking profits here. I sell 50% of my position at 1145. Trade executes. Bang. Push notification in chat says, took more profit. 1145, still holding some. Come back on the mic. I say, guys, 1225 is my final take profit target. I'm going to hold on to this last 25%, see if we get some follow through. That is exactly how a TTG trading day works. Ask any member that is joining me on this live stream right now. They will justify and verify that is exactly what goes on during a typical trading day in the TTG chat room. Okay, yeah, let's get to that. Let's get to that. Eric's Ethan says Mike is not exaggerating. The way he calls out a trade beforehand is one of the biggest differences from other trading groups. It makes an enormous difference. Feels like you're in it together. There it is, guys. Right from Eric's Ethan, who's a new member, by the way. Eric's, you just joined up within the last 1 or 2 weeks, bro, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Frank Sabara says, I just opened up an account with E-Trade. Does TGD help with gap scanner setup and chart setup? Frank, yes. One of the things that we do in TTG, guys, usually about once a week, any brand new members that have never traded before that need help setting up their scanner, setting up their charts, we host a beginner seminar at around 4:30 p.m. Where we talk about we will help traders set up their charts. So if you don't know what you're doing, you're not comfortable, we'll walk traders through setting up those charts so that they know what indicators to put on, what settings to use on their indicators, what settings to use on their charts, how to set up their gap scanner, their high a day scanner. We help set up all that stuff for you. Okay, guys. So that's enough. All right. So I took enough questions. We took a bunch of questions, guys. What I'm going to do now is go into the apology. Michael Todd just joined. Michael Todd, welcome to the family. Michael Todd just joined. Welcome, brother. Pleasure having you part of the group. Okay, so guys, let me now get into the whole reason why I want to do this live stream, because I have an apology to make. Okay, I've got an apology to make. For the month of March and the month of April, this is the huge mistake. This is the I'm sorry. And I owe you guys all an apology. The month of March and the month of April, we were running a 30% discount sale off of our 1-year all-inclusive membership. Now, that 30% discount came to $1,047. However, we at TTG made a mistake. You guys see the regular price for a year membership at True Trading Group is $1,665. That's $1,665. We typically will run on the website sometimes a save 10% today offer, which brings it to $1,497. When we ran the 30% discount, we messed up and we did a 30% discount off of the $1,497, which is already a 10% discount. We did not do the 30% off of the original $1,665. We messed up. Our mistake is your gain. So any member that signed up to True Trading Group in March and April with the 30% discount, you actually got like a 37% discount because it was 30% off of the already discounted price of $1,497. That was our mistake. It was just a simple math error. It was a math mistake. It was an honest mistake. But the 30% was off of the $1,497 when it should have been 30% off the $1,665. So, with that being said, my apology for that and our mistake for that, what we're going to do now is offer our Memorial Day weekend sale for the entire month of May, because I feel terrible about the 30% discount because we didn't realize that it was off the already discounted price instead of the regular price, because now going forward, our sale prices are going to be discounted off of the original $1,665. So you may see a sale of 35 or 36% off. But if you joined in March or April at a 30% discount, you actually paid a cheaper price of $1,047. So what I'm going to do now for the month of May is offer a 36% discount on our 1-year all-inclusive membership, but is a 36% discount off of the original $1,665, which takes you to $1,065 for a 1-year all-inclusive membership plan. So if you signed up for the 30% discount in March or April, you paid $1,047 because it was 30% off of the discounted rate of $1,497. Now I'm going to offer you a 36% discount, but off the original $1,665, which comes to $1,065 for a 1-year all-inclusive membership plan. So again, if you guys signed up in March or April for 30%, you got a better deal. Okay, you guys saved a couple extra bucks. That was our mistake. And my apology for that is offering you all now a 36% discount on a 1-year all-inclusive membership plan to True Trading Group that gets you access to every single thing we have available. I was not planning on doing this. This was something that we were going to go back to our original price point. But because of that math error that we just realized the other day, I feel it's important that I apologize for it. I make this clarification so we're all on the same page price-wise, and we can now move forward with our new discounted price. This discount will go away in June because in June, we are going to be adding a few features to the TTG website. We are going to be adding a trade simulator where you guys will be able to paper trade on the True Trading Group website. We're going to be adding level 1 real-time data as well as access to level 2 subscription data real time. So you guys are going to be able to actually trade on a simulator and get real-time level 2 and level 1 data straight from the True Trading Group website. We are also going to be implementing an AI software that will allow you to buy and sell stocks straight from the True Trading Group website. All of these features we plan on implementing in the month of June. So this discount that I'm running for the month of May will be no more because we will have to increase our price for the month of June. That is why with the new features coming out in June and the kind of the screw up, the mishap that we had with miscalculating the discount in March and April, I'm going to run a Memorial Day weekend sale for the entire month of May, which is a 36% discount where you get 1 year access to the trading group chat room where you see my screen, hear me on the microphone every single day, calling out all of my trades before I make them. Text message alerts sent straight to your cell phone. So if you can't be in chat, you can still follow along with what it is that we're trading. Email swing trade alerts and analysis. So every time I enter a swing trade, you get an email, gives you the entire trade breakdown, the thesis on the trade, stop loss, profit targets, intended hold time, all of that. You guys get access to all that for an entire year. The TTG blog, which is updated daily by myself and other TTG moderators. That includes trade recaps, trade ideas, educational content, general market commentary, stock profile, analyst reports. If you guys are interested in Tesla, you can enter Tesla. A PDF report will populate. You can print it out and download it. And you will also get access to analyst reports. Let's say 20 analysts cover Tesla stock. We compile for you all of those analyst ratings. So if it's a buy, a hold, a sell, we will compile all of that data for you in one downloadable PDF report. And on top of all of that, you get access to the entire TTG curriculum that includes all of our trading courses. That is the beginner trading courses, the advanced trading courses, the beginner option courses, the advanced option courses, Trader Psychology Part 1, Trader Psychology Part 2, and How to Thrive During a Stock Market Crash, as well as immediate access to all future courses. If you sign up in the month of May or prior, if you signed up in April or March or last year or 2 years ago, you get access to all of these new features. Okay, so the level 1, level 2, the trading simulator, all of that stuff you guys get access to. Okay, you guys get access to included. But in June, the price of a membership is going to go up because of those added features. Okay, you're going to be able to buy and sell stocks right from your True Trading Group website because you can connect it right to your brokerage account. You're going to be able to trade on a simulator, so you can do paper trading if you want to practice. You're going to be able to get real-time level 1 and access to a level 2 real-time data subscription. All of that will be right on the TTG website. So you no longer need a subscription to 4 or 5 different websites to trade during the day. You can do it all from one place. Okay, we plan on implementing those features in June. So for the month of May, we are going to run a 36% discount off of the original $1,665, which comes to $1,065 for a 1 year all-inclusive membership. That comes out to the same amount as a cup of coffee a day. I'm a Starbucks guy. Every single day, I get a venti sweet vanilla cream cold brew. That's like $4.50. Okay. The 1065 is just under $3 a day, I think, if the math works out, if my math is correct. So for less than a cup of coffee a day, you guys can get access to everything that I just shared with you. All of my trade alerts, the same education I received working at a $500 million hedge fund in New York City. You guys have to take advantage of this discounted rate. And like I said, if any of you signed up for the 30% discount, do not get upset. You still got a better deal because your 30% off was off of an already discounted rate of $14.97. The original price is $16.65. That was our mistake. But like I said, our mistake is your gain. You guys got a great deal for those of you who signed up on that 30% discount. So going forward, 36% off of $16.65. Okay. So that is my big mistake. This is my apology, and my way of saying I'm sorry is to now offer this 36% discount for the entire month of May. For those of you that want to join the TTG family with this 36% discount that is only going to be here for the month of May, all you need to do is go to the True Trading Group website and enter the coupon code TTG36. TTG36. That will get you guys your 36% discount on that 1 year all-inclusive membership. All right, guys. So we're posting it in chat now. Okay, we're posting the link in chat. So what you guys can do, you guys can click on the link in the chat right now on the live stream. That'll take you directly to our website. And then you can enter that coupon code TTG36 at checkout, and that'll immediately get you guys that 36% discount. Music 196721. It's my pleasure, man. Transparency is what it's all about. Music says, this says a lot about the character traits of the TTG family and its leadership. Thank you very much. Future Star. Future Star says, do you do installments? So Future Star, we do have a payment plan option, but the 30% discount is not valid with that. You could get the 10% discount for the $14.97 and pay that off over 3 months. So if you guys want to pay off a subscription over a 3-month period, you guys can join for the $14.97 and pay that off over 3 months. We do have a payment plan. But if you want the 36% discount to pay $10.65, which is one hell of a deal, that is a one-time payment of $10.65. If you're interested in the payment plan option, just send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com and just inquire, say you're interested in the payment plan, and a representative will get back to you to help set you up on that payment plan. Yes, Pavlo, of course. Pavlo says, can my friends from Ukraine use TTG Education and trade? Pavlo, absolutely. We have members from all over the world. Like I said before, we have 2 members that are in Netherlands. We have a member in Singapore. We have a member in Italy. We have a member in the UK. We have tons of members in Canada. Okay, we have members all over the world that all use the education that they receive to trade and become consistently profitable traders. That's the difference between a professional education, because it can be applied across multiple markets, multiple asset classes, and multiple trading strategies. A gimmick can't do that. A gimmick can't do that. You can't use a gimmick across different trading strategies and multiple asset classes. You can only use a gimmick for what the gimmick works on. Okay, but a professional education you can use on your own trading strategy in something that I'm not even trading. We have many members, guys, that do their own thing in chat, that don't even follow my trades. But because the education that they learned, they're able to make their own trading decisions. And that's the difference between a professional education and a gimmick. Yes, Jeremy, you will start getting Jeremy just signed up. Will I start getting text alerts tomorrow? Yes, Jeremy, you will start getting text message alerts starting tomorrow. It's easy, music. It's easy. You're not transferring your trading account. You're just connecting it to your trading account. So you can just actually execute a trade from our website instead of having to leave our website and log into your platform. Nice, Peter. Yes. Peter Julius Joseph says, I went rogue one day and I made $9,000. So Peter Joseph took the education that he received, executed his own trade ideas, and made $9,000 in one day. Beautiful, Peter. Beautiful. I love it. Joshua, the text messages get sent after the execution. So what happens in chat is I'm on the microphone. I tell everybody what I'm about to do before I do it. Once the trade executes, then the push notification pops up in chat to let you know about the trade. And then the text message gets sent about 30 seconds delay after the trade executes. Guys, it's the same platform that Yahoo Finance uses. So if you guys are on Yahoo Finance, you'll see sometimes there's a buy and sell button. Okay, you can click buy and sell right from Yahoo Finance. We're going to be using the same platform. It's trade.it. That's the platform that we're integrating onto the True Trading Group website so that you can actually click buy and sell right from the True Trading Group website. It's the same platform that Yahoo Finance uses. Jamie Vasquez says, what if I have a day job? Jamie, the majority of our members have day jobs. All right, the majority of the True Trading Group members are not trading full time. The majority of our members have other responsibilities during the day. Okay, we have a lot of, that's why we have the text message alerts. So you can follow along with what it is that we're trading, even if you're not in chat. I'm not a scalper. I'm not one of those traders that buys a stock and sells it within 15 seconds. Okay, my trades last several hours to several days. So even if you're not in chat and you follow along with the text message alerts, you can still follow along with what it is that we're trading throughout the day. And on top of that, we have a lot of members that come into chat. Like we have a lot of West Coast members in California that will actually, they'll wake up, the market opens at 6:30 a.m. for them. They trade from 6:30 to 8:30 their time, then they go to work. A lot of members that do that. We have some members that only trade 1 or 2 days a week because of their work schedule. We have a lot of construction workers, policemen, firemen that are, they work a 24-hour shift and they're off for 3 days. So we have a lot of members that will trade for 2 or 3 days, then they work a 24-hour shift, then they trade for a day, then it's the weekend, then they trade for 2 days, they have a shift, and they trade for 2 days. We have a lot of part-time traders in chat, Jamie. Think Potato. What's up, man? I remember you from the last live stream. Think Potato just joined on Thursday. Was his first day in the trading group on Friday, and he says he was blown away. Just started the courses, but this group is sophisticated AF. I love it. Think Potato, welcome to the family. Nice. Trader 33. Trader 33 says, Mike, we have a one-on-one tomorrow after the market close. Looking forward to it. Trader 33, I assure you, I'm looking forward to it as well. I love our one-on-ones. Guys, like I said earlier, I do a lot of one-on-one mentorship with a lot of our members. So Trader 33, tomorrow, he and I are scheduled at, I believe it's 5 p.m., Trader 33, if I'm not mistaken. It's either 5 or 5:30. I think it's 5 p.m. We have a one-on-one scheduled where we're going to be diving into his trading style, his trade specifically, and go over some specific questions that he has about trading. Anything that he wants to cover specifically, I spend at least minimum 1 hour with members on the phone going over those mentor sessions, and I genuinely enjoy them. You guys get to hear me all day on the microphone. You get to watch all my YouTube videos. You know my personality. You see my face. So you guys are used to it, but I like getting to know you because you guys already all know me. So Trader 33, believe me, I look forward to it tomorrow. Yes, Ricky, exactly. Exactly, Ricky. So Ricky says I can use your charts and execute my trades, but it will be my TD Ameritrade account. Yes, exactly. Perfect. Nice. DMCK says I'm clocking out of the live stream. I'm going to go finish those advanced courses. I'll see you tomorrow. DMCK, I love it, baby. Put that work in. Keep studying. Keep studying. Nice, Lloyd. Lloyd says I'm in. Lloyd, I want to see you in chat tomorrow, Lloyd. Use that coupon code TTG36. Get a 36% discount on a TTG 1-year all-inclusive membership plan. And Lloyd, I will see you in chat tomorrow. Nice. Future Star said you will be joining. Nice, nice. No, Bolivar, you do not need a lot of money to start investing. You can start with $500. You can start with $500. Okay, guys. So again, there's that discount code. We just sent it right there in chat. You guys can click on that link in chat. And guys, don't forget, if you guys are here for the Wolves, specifically, and you guys are from the Wolves Twitter, and that's how you find True Trading Group, make sure that you select the Wolf if that's how you heard about True Trading Group when you guys are going through your checkout platform. Yes, Jamie, a truck driver absolutely can do it. Jamie, a truck driver absolutely can do this.
Anybody can do it, guys.
Yeah, anybody can do it, guys. Anybody can do it.
And if you're worried about having it starting with a small account, or just taking that step, guys, remember, like 6 years ago, I wasn't day trading. I had a regular job, and I put $1,500 in my account to start, and I probably put in a total of 10 grand over a 6-month period, and I've never put in any more money.
Going back 6 years ago.
Yeah, so I've been basically living off of 10 grand
for the last 6 years. And guys, believe me, Jason lives a very nice life. I've seen his house. Nice, Miss Tiny Trader. We look forward to it. Yes, Keith, we do trade options. Jason trades options every day. I trade equities and options. What time frame? Sometimes I day trade options. Other times we'll swing them for a couple days.
I swing them and I day trade them. And, for everybody that's looking to get into options, a lot of you guys, the membership basically pays for itself day one. Because, when I talk to you guys are always starting with the worst options, and just getting absolutely beaten up, like Tesla or Apple or SPY. I get people into option trades that they end up not trading anything else except that option and just crushing it.
Yeah.
So we give you, options that you could swing and options that you can day trade, but at the same time, options that aren't going to blow you up.
Yeah, guys, there's it's important if you guys are interested in trading options, it's important that you first learn how to trade stocks and then you focus on trading options. Options do carry a little extra risk element than equities do because the price of an option is affected by multiple variables versus a stock. The price is it's price action. The price of the stock goes up or down, and that affects if you're up or down on your long or short position. Options is different. Options, a stock can just go sideways and you can still lose money on your option. So there is an extra layer of risk management. That's why it's important for you to understand stocks first. And then when you do start trading options, they're a lot more volatile than stocks themselves. So what Jason is referring to is that a lot of people, when they first start trading options, they start trading the most volatile stocks in the market, like a Tesla, an Amazon, a Roku. Very, very volatile options that if you don't know what you're doing, you can do yourself a lot of damage. Okay. So Jason, who is, really specifically focused, I'd say maybe 98% of Jason's trades are options. And Jason is someone that a lot of members lean on for advice trading options. I trade options also, but I also do trade stocks. And he suggests that, when you're a beginner trader, there's other stocks and other options that are less volatile, like X, for example, US Steel. Okay, that's ticker symbol X. The option contracts on those are far less volatile, but they can still provide you with some monster gain opportunities. They're just less volatile than maybe options in a Tesla or a Roku. And that's why, that's what Jason is referring to by saying you guys should start trading options with less volatile options that are not going to blow your hair back and kind of and shock you. And that's something that Jason talks a lot about in his one-on-ones with his students, is really helping them select the option contracts that fit their trading style, that fit their experience level, and talk to them about various ways that they can profit from trading those options is one of the things that he really specializes on with his one-on-one mentor sessions.
Yeah, and also how to roll the profit into longer term swings that have just been absolutely fire.
Yeah, that's another. Yeah, Jason, you're. I got to give it to you, brother. You're very good at that. Jason is very, very good, guys, at kind of scalping an option intraday, peeling profit off the table, and then adding that to a longer term option to catch a broader based move. So that's something that he really works on with a lot of his students. James Knox, to explain what an option is, I will give you a very broad-based explanation of an option. And then my best advice to you is to take the beginner options trading course. A broad-based explanation of options. When you buy an option contract, what you're essentially doing is you are buying the right to buy or sell shares of a stock at a specific price at a specific time. That's what an option contract is. So when you buy, let's say you have a call option and a put option. A call option is something you'll buy if you think the stock's going to go up. A put option is something you'll buy if you think the stock's going to go down. A strike price is the price that you are reserving the right to execute a trade at. So let's say you buy a $290 strike call option on the SPY that expires May 8th. Okay. What that contract means, so again, 290 strike, May 8th expiration, call option. What that means is that on May 8th, when the market closes, you have the right to purchase shares of the SPY at $290 a share, regardless of where the SPY is trading. So let's say the SPY is trading at 293. Your option contract gives you the right to buy shares at 290. Okay. If the SPY's at 300, you have the right to buy shares at 290. That's what that option contract gives you the right to do. So when you buy an option and sell an option, you are buying and selling the right of that execution, the right to make that trade. Now, in True Trading Group, we very, very, very rarely, less than 0.05% of the time, let options expire, because we want to take advantage of price movement in the option itself. The closer the stock moves to your strike price, the more valuable that contract is going to be, because the more likely the stock's going to be above that strike price come expiration, which makes your contract more valuable. Okay, so that is in a nutshell what an option contract is. My biggest advice to you, James Knox, is to go through the beginner options trading course, and all of your questions surrounding option trading will be answered. Johnny Chase, no, none of our moderators are in California. So I'm in Miami and New Jersey. I go back and forth. I split like 50% of my time in New Jersey and Miami. The Wolf is in Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Jason Simmons is in Miami. Elena is in Miami and Naples. She goes back and forth between Miami and Naples, Florida. Chris Toner is in Chicago. And Alex Campbell is in Iowa. And I don't know where Jay Downing is. Jay Downing's our last moderator. I'm not sure what city he is currently in, because I believe he just moved. Nice, James. Nice. Oh, James, perfect. All right, James. So when you're part of the TGG family, then you better make sure you come to the TGG meetup in Miami when the coronavirus is finally over. Miss Tiny Trader says, I can't remember, Mike, what time do you go live and for how long? I'm not. Are you referring to the YouTube or the chat room? The chat room opens at 7:30 a.m. Eastern and it closes at 5:30 p.m. Eastern. Oh, there's Elena. Elena, what's up? Oh, King Gakura, there has never been a better chance. There has never been a better chance for you to sign up, Kinga. This 36% discount right now is not going to get much better, because in June, we have all those new features that are coming out. So the price of a membership is going to go up in the month of June. Michael Turner, what's up? New TGD member. What's up, Mike? Eric's nice. Eric's is going to join us for that meetup. I look forward to it. Furman, another member. Palm Beach County, yes. Perfect, guys. Mark Demers, what's up, Mark? Mark says the chat room is training class by in itself. Mark says the chat room is a training in itself. That's the truth. Oh, James Earl Scones. Michael Turner, what's up, man? I didn't realize that was your username. Michael Turner, James Earl Scones in chat. What's up, Mike? And honestly, Ricky, that's the God's honest truth. That's no BS. Ricky says it feels like one big family already. Truly want the best for trading members. And Ricky, that's the truth. You can see the relationship I have with our members. We have a lot of members that are joining me on this live stream. A lot of members joining us on this live stream. We have great relationships. These are friendships, guys. These are friendships now. These are not just people that sign up and they're gone tomorrow. These are people that when they sign up, they're here to stay, guys. The TGG family is deep. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I can show you guys. Yo, Wampa from chat. Wampa, what's up? Yes, you can withdraw money from your trading account, Brian. Yes. Michael Turner says 10 for 10. Would recommend joining. I've learned so much in a month and made money. Boom! Yes, Michael. Hell yeah. Nothing like learning while you earn, baby. I love it. So yes, Sonny asks, guys. Sonny asked, can we see what some of the training programs look like? So Sonny wants to know what do some of the courses look like? So what I'm gonna do, guys. Oh, nice, Wampa. I can't wait. Wampa and we have a one-on-one scheduled for Wednesday. I can't wait. I look forward to it. I look forward to it, Wampa. Yeah, what I'll do, guys, Sonny, what I'll do is I'll show you guys. I'll walk you guys through kind of the courses. I'll show you guys what some of the courses look like. Yes, Scott. If you have a PDT, I'm sorry. Scott Huff says, can you get around the PDT rule with a cash account? Yes, Scott. If you have a cash account, you're not bound under PDT rule, but you can only trade with the cash in your account. Okay. The other way you can get around a PDT rule, let's say you guys have $5,000 in a TD Ameritrade account. Instead of having $5,000 in a TD account, put 2,500 in a TD Ameritrade account, put 2,500 in an E-Trade account. Now, instead of 3 trades in a 5-day period, you have 6. Yo, Tomislav, TJ in chat. Yes. TJ, what's up, brother? TJ says, I'm in TTG. My alias in chat is TJ. The energy in our chat room is absolutely great. That's how I like it, guys. That's how I like it. Guys, yeah, and honestly, guys, we've done surveys with our members. 80% of members in True Trading Group make 7 to 10 times the membership fee in the first 6 months of their membership. You have a lot of members in chat right now that in the first day, the first week, made back their membership fee. Never mind the rest of the year. You're talking another 11 months to go in trading profits, and you already have members that are making their subscription revenue, their subscription cost back in one day, sometimes 1 week. So 80% of our members in 6 months after joining True Trading Group are already making 7 to 10 times their membership fee. It's an incredible stat, but I'm not surprised, because you guys would be shocked at what a professional education will do for your trading. You would be shocked. Ask any member. Guys, you know what? Let me ask a favor. Any of our members that are watching the live stream, if you are a current TTG member, I want you to do me a favor and let all of our other guests that are joining us on this live stream that are on the fence about joining True Trading Group, I want every single one of our TTG members to comment in the chat room right now and tell our guests that are joining us on this live stream why they should join True Trading Group. Tell them what you love about TTG and why they should join. I'm asking our members right now that are joining us, I'm asking you now for a favor. Comment in the chat and tell people that are on the fence about TTG why they should join right now. Guys, take advantage of that 36% discount. It is a 1-year all-inclusive membership that gets you access to all of our trading courses, every single thing we have to offer, text message alerts, chat room access, premium blog, swing trade email alerts, analyst reports, everything we have available to you, you get access to. Then starting in the month of June, real-time level 1 data, access to a real-time level 2 data subscription, a trading simulator, the availability and the option to buy and sell stocks straight from the TTG website. You guys can do everything during the day in one place. That's going to be starting in June. So you guys join now, you automatically get access to all that stuff when it rolls out. The price will be going up in June because we're implementing all those new features. We've got to raise the price. Okay, so take advantage of this 36% discount, guys. Use that coupon code TTG36 and get that 36% discount. Sign up to True Trading Group, get a professional education, the same education I received working at a $500 million under management hedge fund in New York City. You guys will have access to that and all of my trade alerts, as well as Jason the Wolf and the other moderators, for less than a cup of coffee a day. I made that big mistake with the 30% discount off that already discounted rate. I'm sorry for that. I apologize for that. So now my way of saying I'm sorry is extending this offer to you now. So take advantage of it, guys. Sign up, get that 36% discount, and join the TTG family. Mike Yu, what's up, Mike? Mike says the community is a must-have. Your learning curve will shorter with the education you receive. It'll pay for itself. Lunchbox says it's a no-brainer. Mike is the stock whisperer. I won't ever trade with another group. TJ says great daily sessions with Mike and Jason. Extremely friendly environment, and Mike always answers questions immediately. And we love Toby. Ayo. Michael Turner says I've had every question I've ever asked answered and explained, and the mods and the family are all really cool people. Andrew Knutson says TTG member. Ark the Realtor. What's up, Ark? Made my membership back in 2 to 3 days, and much more. It's the real deal family education chat, incredibly valuable. Peter Julius Joseph says trading with TTG for the first month is the equivalent to a 1-year trading experience. Yes, I love it. TJ says to our guests, why should you join? Simple. You will never be ashamed. You can ask questions. Members pitch in and give very good, solid advice. You will always feel welcomed. Enoch says the education is superb. Paid $2,700 in a different platform and got F all. It's super boring. I'm getting the real deal here for less than half. Jacob Shaw says Jason Spatafora is here, and the mic is a freaking award-winning hedge fund trader. Made my subscription back in 2 weeks. You must join soon. Guys, don't take it from me. Take it from members. Listen to what members are telling you. This is not me telling you this. I'm just reading what members are saying. Smiley Wampa in chat says Mike's win rate is really good, 72 to 73%. The month of April, my win rate was about 80%. I wish I would take more of those trade ideas. Frank Carroll says, I joined last Thursday, made a few bucks on the same day. Can't wait to start the classes. Yes, I love it, guys. Stephen Arbor says, I've been a member for TTG for a month. Level of experience is irrelevant. Entire team is legit, and all the tools chat will make anyone a better trader. I highly recommend it. This is a great group. Guys, listen to what members are telling you. Listen to what members are telling you. Okay, take advantage of that 36% discount. Use the coupon code TTG36 and get that membership for less than a cup of coffee a day. Guys, what I'm going to do right now. Okay, it's about 10:30. I know it's getting late. I appreciate each and every one of you spending the time with me on a Sunday night. I know there's a lot of things you guys would rather be doing, like watching Billions. I'm going to go back and watch Billions because as soon as this is over with, I'm going to go through right now. I'm going to show you guys the back end of the website. I want to show you what our courses look like. I want to show you the resources that are available to you. I want to show you what it looks like to become a member of True Trading Group. Okay, so let's go to our website. Let's take a look. Let's see what the back end looks like, guys. All right, let's go right to our website. Let's sign them up. And here we go, guys. Okay, what we are looking at right now is your member dashboard. Okay, I just logged into a test account. Okay, what we're looking at right now is our member dashboard. When you log into the TTG website with your username and password, once you become a member, this is where it takes you. Your member dashboard is where you can access everything. Okay, you can access everything from your TTG dashboard. All right. Now, the first thing I want you to notice here is the badges on the top right. You guys remember I was talking about earlier in the live stream becoming TTG certified? You guys, if you at the end of every course is a quiz. If you score 85% or higher on the quiz, you get a badge for that course. If you earn all your badges, you become TTG certified. That's the badge section on our course right here. You can see here it says pass all courses to become TTG certified. Okay. Now, you can see here, trading chat room. That's where you guys will click to enter the chat room. Now let's scroll down. Here's our watch list, okay? Every day at around 8:45 a.m. Eastern time, the watch list gets posted to your member dashboard. This is where you guys will know every single stock that we are watching in the morning and why we're watching that stock in the morning, okay? So here's where you guys will find what stocks we're paying attention to and why we're paying attention to them each and every single day. Here's your economic calendar. This is a very useful tool. Okay, the economic calendar will tell you when every piece of economic data is coming out. When is the API report? When's the rig report for oil? When's the natural gas report? When's the unemployment number come out? When's jobless claims number come out? When does new home sales number come out? All of that information is all listed here for you, okay, in the economic calendar section of the website, okay? Then we have the stock profile section. Let's click on that real quick. This is the cool part that I was telling you guys about the downloadable PDF report. Okay, so you guys can come to this part of the set of the website. Let's type in Roku. Okay, let's type in Roku. We'll click on Roku, enter the ticker symbol, bang. PDF report pops up. You can download a report on Roku right there, full detailed report. Download it, print it, whatever you guys want to do with it. It's yours. Okay. As we scroll down, you guys can see we have all the information. Here's a stock profile. Here's all their news releases. Here's all curated stories. Here's all their SEC filings. Here's their price history, an interactive chart, guys, an interactive chart. So you can do your charting right on your TTG website. Okay, right on the TTG website, you can do your charting and your analysis and your studying at night or on weekends. Corporate event calendar, all their financial data. All of this is right here for you guys. And then my favorite part, analyst ratings. Here is the analyst ratings. Right here, you can see there's 15 analysts that are covering Roku. And you can see right here, 8 of them have a strong buy. 2 of them have a moderate buy. 4 have a hold. 0 have a moderate sell. 1 have a strong sell. So when you guys are trying to make your investment decisions and your trading decisions, it's helpful to know what the analyst community thinks about a particular stock. And that is all right here at your fingertips with a TTG membership. Then you guys can come to the premium blog. Okay, here's the premium blog that is updated daily from myself and other moderators in chat with different trade ideas, trade recaps, general market commentary, educational content. Okay, all for you right there. Then you have all the courses. Here's all the courses, guys. Here they are right here on the left-hand side of your screen. Here's all our courses. Let's click on one and let's dive in. Let's go to the advanced course section, advanced stock trading. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, you can see here, here's tier trading system. Here's the TG triangle, technical indicators novice, technical indicators advanced. Okay, I'm just going to click on the TG triangle. I just want to show you guys what one of these courses looks like. Important for me to note, every single course comes in a video format and a text format. So if you guys are visual learners and you guys want to go through and watch video lessons, you can watch video, or you can read the text, or you can read the text while following along with the video, whatever is easier for you. All right. So as we scroll down, you guys see here's the video. Okay, I would just click on that video to get us started on that advanced course section. And then here you can see the TTG triangle is broken up into 5 chapters. Okay, let's just click on chapter 2 just randomly. You guys can see here is a video. Here's a 17-minute long video that talks about the TTG triangle, the morning setup. And then as we scroll down, here's individual lessons for the chapter. So each course has multiple chapters. Each chapter has multiple lessons. And here are all of those lessons you guys can see here on the chart, or on here. And then here you can see initial morning high, and you guys can go forward in all of your lessons one by one, lesson by lesson, and follow along with the actual video if you guys would like. So here's the video.
Okay, now as we get into chapter 2 of the TTG triangle, we're going to now break down and discuss the most common TTG triangle, which is the morning setup. This is a strong stock. Right off the bell, here's the opening bell as soon as the stock opens.
An example of what the TTG courses look like. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys real quick a back-end snippet of the website and what it would look like if you guys became part of the TTG family, went through the courses, went through all the resources that are available to you, and took advantage of your member dashboard. And here you guys can see here's the trading chat room. That's how you guys will click on that, and that'll just take you right into the chat room during the day. Okay? Nice, Mike. Awesome, Mike. I love to hear that, Mike. Mike Duraco says, thanks for the awesome courses, Mike. Truly a game changer. Awesome, Mike. I'm so happy to hear that you're enjoying the courses. Big Bala, I'm waiting for you, Big Bala. I'm waiting for you. Big Bala is one of my trusted YouTube followers, always watching my videos. Big Bala, commenting on all of them. I see you, brother. I'm waiting for you to join the group. Nice. Miss Tiny Trader signing up this week. I look forward to trading with you, Miss Tiny Trader. Justin Richardson, we use a pro trading chat room platform. It's protradingroom.com. It's a fantastic platform. Very user friendly. All of our members absolutely love. Runs on HTML5, not Flash. It's completely mobile compatible. If you're on a smartphone or a tablet, it's completely seamless functionality. If you're on mobile or a desktop, our chat room is phenomenal. Exactly, small cap. Yeah, small cap's like, wow, now is definitely the time to sign up considering what's coming in June. Guys, exactly. I mean, in June, with all those new features, I mean, guys, we're adding a lot. We're adding a lot of features to the TTG repertoire with that real-time level 1, access to a real-time level 2 subscription, a trading simulator, being able to buy and sell stocks right from the True Trading Group website. We got a lot of stuff coming in June, so that's why you guys got to take advantage of this 36% discount. Join the TTG family and start to get that professional education today. Big Bala, I look forward to it. Big Bala says, I'm joining before the end of the month. I look forward to drilling you with a bunch of questions, so get ready. Also looking forward to the one-on-one. Big Bala, I can't wait. I encourage members to ask questions, guys. It's the only way that you're going to learn. Okay, the only way you're going to learn is if you guys ask questions. There's no such thing as a stupid question, so don't even preface your question with, this may be a stupid question, but don't even say that. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Believe me, if you have the question, somebody else in chat has the same one. Guys, also don't forget, I didn't know what I was doing when I got hired at the hedge fund. My first job out of college was the hedge fund. I didn't know what I was doing. They had to teach me. So I had to ask all the questions you guys have. I have the same questions. So believe me, I get it. All right, guys. Richard says, is TC2000 your recommended stock screener? So Richard, I don't recommend TC2000 as a stock screener. What I, TC2000 actually just launched a new version. They just launched a new version that includes a pre-market scan. I have yet to play around with it. This week, I will be playing around with their pre-market scan. Trade Ideas is fantastic. The same people that developed the Trade Idea scanner developed the E-Trade scanner. Finviz is also an excellent scanner. I will be reviewing TC2000's new scan. They just came out with a new version that includes a pre-market scan. I'm going to be playing with that this week. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. All right, guys. So, guys, what I'm going to do, yes, Smiley, they were very selective. Smiley says, was the hedge fund selective on hires back then? So, Smiley, what happened? I got hired with, I think, about 26 people got hired in my class. We all had to go through that educational program, but you had to pass that program. And they only took like the top 6 or 7 traders out of that group. They only took the top ones that passed that course, and they kept them on as full-time traders. So they were extremely selective. That's why I had to go through that educational program, pass that course, be one of the top in my class. I was actually second in my class. So out of the 26 people, I had the second highest scoring coming out of the class. So I maintained a full-time position, and then I went on to receive the Trader of the Year award just 2 years later. So I went from that education to receiving a Trader of the Year award 2 years later. All right, guys. Guys, listen, what I'm going to do, it's 10:40. We're going to wrap this up here pretty soon. What I'm going to do, anybody that signs up tonight, I'm going to include a free one-on-one mentor session with anybody that signs up tonight only. You guys sign up tomorrow, no one-on-one. Okay. I'm jam-packed booked with one-on-ones. You guys see we have a lot of members that were typing away in chat that were saying that I've got a one-on-one scheduled with somebody on Monday. I got another one scheduled on Wednesday. I do about 2 or 3 a day. Okay. I do about 2 or 3 one-on-one mentor sessions with students a day. So I'm jam-packed. Okay. We have several hundreds of students. I'm jam-packed. So that's why only if you sign up tonight will I include a one-on-one mentor session with myself. The Wolf, Jason Spatafor, is also going to include a one-on-one mentor session for anyone that signs up tonight. If you guys want that one-on-one mentorship with me, again, use that coupon code TTG36. That'll get you the 36% discount. If you want a one-on-one mentor session with the Wolf himself, Jason, use coupon code TTG Wolf 36. Okay. And don't forget to click Jason's, the Wolf's name when you guys are going through your checkout to make sure you guys are, so that we know you're coming for the Wolf specifically, so that when it comes time to scheduling your one-on-one, you get your one-on-one with Jason instead of me. So again, you guys have the option to do your one-on-one with me, or you can do your one-on-one with Jason the Wolf. Eric's, all you have to do, Eric's, to set up a one-on-one with the Wolf, Eric's, you just have to message Elena in chat tomorrow. Tell her you want to schedule a one-on-one with the Wolf. She'll give you available times and dates. Or you can send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. Say you want to schedule a one-on-one with the Wolf, and a representative will get back to you with scheduling times. No, it's not, Miss Tiny Trader. Just something I'm doing for members that sign up tonight. So if you guys sign up tonight, you get a one-on-one with either myself or the Wolf. Hell yeah, Leo. Leo says, I'm excited for this week. More learning, more profiting. Let's go TTG. That's what I'm talking about, Leo. I'll see you in chat tomorrow, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Cloudbuster, excellent question. Thank you for asking. Cloudbuster says, well, at the hedge fund, what do you attribute your success to? Simple. My mentor. My mentor. That is why when members call me their mentor, guys, I take that shit very seriously. I take it very seriously because if it was not for my mentor when I was at the hedge fund, so I became the youngest junior portfolio manager at my hedge fund. My boss was a senior portfolio manager who was also a partner in the fund. One of the best traders, probably, no, you know what? The best trader I've ever seen in my life. Okay. And he was my mentor. He took me under his wing. He said that he saw a lot of promise in myself. He said that he saw a lot of a young him in me, and he really took me under his wing. If it was not for that man, I would not be the trader that I am today. I don't know where I would even be in my life today, honestly, if it wasn't for him. Because if I never received that education, if I didn't have somebody with his experience that I can go to ask questions when I didn't understand something, if I didn't have that, I wouldn't be half the trader that I am today. And I'm humble enough to say that. I didn't just wake up one day. I wasn't just born a successful trader. I learned, just like many of you are now learning. I went through wherever you are right now in your trading journey, wherever you are, if you've never traded a stock a day in your life, or you just started trading a month ago, or you've been trading for 1 year, or 3 years, or 6 years, or 10 years, or 15 years, I've been exactly where you are today. I had to learn just like you did, just like you currently are. I had to go to my mentor and ask questions, just like you are doing right now on this live stream, considering me your mentor. I take that very seriously. That's why I do the one-on-one mentor sessions with our students. That's why members have the ability to direct message me during the day. You guys have access to me all day long. I'm talking to you in chat. You can talk to me in general chat, or you can send me a private message and ask me a private question. You have access to me all day, every day. I take it very serious when somebody considers me their mentor, because what that means to me is that this person is relying on me to help change their life. That's what that means to me. When you consider me your mentor, that is you telling me, Mike, my life's in your hands. And I know because my mentor changed the course of my life. So if you consider me your mentor, I know that I could potentially change the course of your life. And I take that to heart. And I promise you that I am going to do every single goddamn thing in my power to get you down the best possible path that your life has in store for you. Because with trading, there truly is no ceiling for your success. I am constantly, every single year, pushing my limit to the max. I'm pushing my success. I'm pushing my P&L. I'm pushing every single year. I'm trying to get bigger and better. And I guarantee you that as your mentor, I'm going to push you every single month, every single year, every day to be a better, more consistently profitable, more successful trader. I still do it to myself. So you damn well better believe I'm going to do it to you. So if you guys are serious about getting a professional education and want a real mentor to help guide you through this process, I promise to be there every step of the way, guiding you through it. So for those of you that are ready to join the TTG family, get a 36% discount for the month of May only before we add all the new features in June, and the price is going to go up. And if you want to get a one-on-one mentor session with myself for free, included, sign up tonight with coupon code TTG36. If you guys want a one-on-one with the Wolf instead of myself, use coupon code TTGWolf36. TTGWolf36. Okay? Yeah, Steve. The psychology courses are awesome, Steve. It's members' favorite course. It's members' favorite course is the trader psychology course. I did a survey. I asked all of our members, "What's your favorite course?" The most common answer was trader psychology. Yes, TJ, we have a ton of members from Canada. TJ, we have a ton of members from Canada. Greg, I've never been long airlines. So Greg Martin asked, "Are you still long airlines?" Greg, I've never been long airlines.
I'm long airlines.
Jason, the Wolf is long airlines. I'm not. Jason's long airlines.
I have a lot of call options. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
A lot. A lot.
Yep, we've got members in Texas. We've got members in Texas, big ways. We have a member in Houston, actually. I know that. Or well, right right outside of Houston, they said. They're like 10, 15 minutes outside of Houston. Manuel, I like Walmart. I like Walmart calls. I like Walmart. All right, guys. So listen, gang, if that's, I guess that kind of wraps up our live stream here tonight. I really want to thank all of you for joining me on this stream, taking the time, listening to my apology. I'm sorry I screwed up the math on that original 30% discount. So that's why I'm doing the apology and I'm doing the 36% off that original price, which is now comes to $1,065 for a 1-year all-inclusive membership. Again, guys, remember, no upsells ever. You guys get access to every single thing that we have available once you join the TGD family. Okay. I think airline stocks are going to be down tomorrow, significantly down. With Warren Buffett announcing he sold his entire stakes, I think you're going to see people panic out of them tomorrow. So tomorrow I expect a red day in the overall markets, and I expect a red day in the airlines. Did anybody have any questions about a membership? Anybody have any questions about what they get, what they have access to, how things work? Anybody have any questions? No, Ribbonhead, I am not buying airlines tomorrow. Eventually I will. Eventually I will, just not tomorrow. Nice, Miss Tiny Trader. I'm also glad you joined. I look forward to trading with you very soon. Isaac Kitch. Isaac Kitch. Just send an email, Isaac, to info@truetradinggroup.com. Yes, Big Ways we do. Big Ways says, when I'm not able to trade daily, does TTG offer weekly swing trade ideas? Yes, Big Ways, we also do swing trade. It could be lay vortex. It could be a good idea to short or buy some puts on those airlines for the short term. I would not go long term, but maybe for the short term, maybe tomorrow we see some selling pressure to the downside. Okay, guys. All right, gang. So I guess that's it. If nobody has any questions about a membership specifically, I know it's getting late. The way to get around the PDT rule, music says, what would you say about getting around PDT rule? So you can either use a cash account, which will just allow you to trade with the cash in your account, no margin, but that will not bound you to PDT. Or let's say you have $5,000 in a TD Ameritrade account. Take 2,500, put it into E-Trade. Now you've got 2,500 in E-Trade account. You got 2,500 in a TD account. And now you have 3-day trades in each of those accounts. So now instead of 3-day trades in a week, you have 6. All right, guys. So that's it, gang. All right. So again, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys hearing me out, explaining, what I did wrong there with the sale. I hope you guys are excited about the new offer, that 36% off. for the entire month of May. Join True Trading Group for a 1-year all-inclusive membership. Get access to every single thing that we have for less than a cup of coffee a day, guys. If you sign up tonight, you have 1 hour left. Sign up tonight. You got 1 hour left. You get a free one-on-one mentor session included with myself. Use that coupon code TTG36 to get a 36% discount. Or if you want a one-on-one with the Wolf, use coupon code TTGWolf36 and get a one-on-one mentor session with the Wolf if you sign up within the next 1 hour and 7 minutes only. Otherwise, that regular 36% discount is available to you for the entire month of May. And then come June, we're looking at a trading simulator, real-time level 1 data, access to a real-time level 2 subscription, as well as the ability to buy and sell stocks directly from the True Trading Group website by connecting your brokerage account to the TGG site, just like you do with Yahoo Finance. Same platform. Okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this live stream. I appreciate and love each and every single one of you. If you have not done so already, there are still about 300 people on this live stream at 11 p.m. at night. I want each and every single one of you to smash that like button for me. If you guys appreciate TTG, if you appreciate the YouTube channel, if you appreciate all the videos that I constantly put out, if you appreciate all the Q&A sessions that we do, spending time answering each and every single one of your questions, hit that like button for me. Hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, or if you're new. And most importantly, hit that notification bell to make sure you guys don't miss out on any more live streams like this one, or anytime I post a video with a free mental or technical lesson on my trade recaps. I love each and every single one of you guys. Do not forget coupon code TTG36 to get that 36% discount. Thank you guys for joining me. Have a wonderful, fantastic rest of your night. To all of my TTG fam, I will see you guys in chat. Later, guys. Thanks for joining me.